Hey everybody, my name is George and I want to share something with you that I just kind of learned about a company called Legion. And what Legion is they are they're helping you build, or they've got some tools, some education to help you build an audience on Facebook kind of while you sleep. You get to start relationships. I'm just kind of reading the notes here. Sell products, build authority, all on autopilot without really spending a dime on ads. Now, I'm not an ads professional, but I've spent a ton of money on ads over the past years and have had bad things happen to me. Let's just leave it at that. And so I recently came across, well, how can I do this for free? Or how can I market myself and get a following and do this all organically? Because everyone says they want to do this stuff, organically. So I came across this company called Legion, and they had a 5-day free training and didn't cost me anything, and I'm actually implementing it without spending any money, just some of my time using all of their tools. And after thinking about it and doing some brainstorming and some collaboration with my business partner, we found that there are some really key things that are different. In the past, now they have an affiliate program, so they do have some software to sell, which puts the whole thing on automation. But I'm not talking about buying their software. What I'm talking about is what makes them different than other people, which actually affects me in the heart, and it makes me feel really good about talking about their product and so forth. So when you go with Legion, and this is the total free thing, okay? We're not talking about buying anything here. So going with them and learning how to build these audiences, and I'm going to call them an asset, okay? There's 2 assets that you're going to be able to learn how to use. I'm going to write down the word assets here, okay? Assets. So what is the first one here? The first asset, number 1, is you're going to learn how to build this list, okay? And this is a Facebook list, okay? And it's organic, okay? It's free. The people will be following you, so that's another good thing. They're gonna follow you, okay? YOU. That's one of the kind of things, because a lot of times where there are other gurus and stuff like that, and you're promoting someone else's stuff, you get a link and all, and you make commissions. But the thing is that they keep the asset, they keep the list, okay? Now, the second asset here actually is the list, okay? So that is the list. The first one here is how to build a list. The second one is actually the list. And a lot of times, the list, the other people out there, they continue to market, and they get the sales, the emails. You guys have all signed up for different emails, lists and stuff like that, and every day or every week or so you get dripped on, and there's things to buy, there's links out there. And with other people, you don't keep or control that list. With these guys here, you do. So the first asset is you actually learn how to build a list. The second is the list itself. You get to keep it, okay? You get to keep the list. That's right, you get to keep the list. And that is, that's the biggest thing. It's going to be people who follow you on Facebook, all right? You're not buying this. You can't pay people to come and, and spam everybody. You just can't do that. But with their methods, with their teaching, what I learned in 5 days, has made a big difference, not just to me, but in a lot of other people. Now, there's a third thing here which I didn't tell you about. Put this in number 3 here. Let's just say that something happens and your list is gone, okay? Let's just say that happens and your list is gone. Over here, you're going to have your education, all right? And your education, if I spell this right, TION, your education, you will always, no matter what happens, you will always, I'm going to stress that, always be able to make money. say build a list. It's over here, okay? I don't want to run out too much to the side. Build a list, market to them, and make some money. They've got to figure it out. Some other people that I have been involved with doing affiliates, teaching me how to do all this stuff. The first one I probably wasn't ready, and there were things they were asking me to do that was undesirable, and that was years ago, and I just didn't. I paid a lot of money for it, but didn't complete it. And most recently, some other people that I was doing affiliates with, something just wasn't right. Now, they were controlling the list and all that, but I liked the people. They were very charismatic. I felt like I was part of the tribe, and things were just, I was kind of happy doing it. But there was a couple things which kind of wasn't happy with, and there was other people who caught on to that also. So it wasn't just me, and I just, ethically, I just wanted to walk away from that. And I believe that the people that I just talked about, their heart is in the right spot. They want to help people, but they just haven't figured it out. These people have figured it out. So I hope that this video makes it to you well. I hope that you receive it well. I hope you do understand, again, the let's just say three assets. Learn how to build your list, and then keep the list. And again, the education, no matter where you're at in the world, whatever you're doing, you can start over from scratch and build a new list. So thanks for paying attention. My name is George, and hope you're doing well. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah!